Keep coming. Yeah, that's why it's so hard to push. Try to lift that up.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, that's why I was like, man, it's taking forever. Yeah, it pinched completely shut. Oh, wow. So, yeah.
I was looking for that on there, but yeah,
the riving knife,
yeah.
yep. So you can actually feel the riving knife is warm. So we were pinching so bad because of the humidity on that. Yeah. So what we're actually going to do is I'll finish this cut, okay, and then we're going to make another cut at 1 1/4 inches so we can do this if it does pinch.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and I'll finish this one. This is fine. All right, so we'll finish this one because it's pinching in the wrong direction now. Oh, actually, we're good. So we should be able to do that if you want to go. So because we're going to be pushing up against here, you're going to cut off this bending part.
Oh, I gotcha.
So here, let me show the camera.
Yeah.
So it's pinched completely closed. That's why it was taking him so long to pinch through, or to push through there. It's all the way closed, like completely. So to fix that, if you ever come across this, is to stop the blade and feed it through again, and we'll go ahead and do that now. All right. All right, so same thing. All you're gonna do is just push it up against the fence, and then you're just gonna go through. It'll be hard when you're pushing it through, just like you're cutting through fresh, but it'll get easier and easier until it becomes really easy. Gotcha. So just be careful that might change, so just be aware of that.
Gotcha.
Third time's the charm.